Hi, my name is Blake McGowan, and I'm a certified professional ergonomist with the Human-Tech brand of Velocity EHS. One of the more difficult questions I get asked is, how do I justify the financial investment of implementing a manual materials handling intervention, such as a lift table or a hoist, when there really isn't any history of injury? It's unlikely to impact productivity and enhance any product quality, even though that we have higher risk of injury. Well, in 2012, Kapellusch and Garg from the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee developed a very simple but novel approach. Their approach calculates the necessary time for safe lifting based off the NIOSH lifting equation. And there's two elements to that time, the performance time as well as the necessary recovery time. And they coined this the ergonomics cycle time. Now, if we compare the ergonomic cycle time to the process cycle time, which is currently the amount of time given to perform the task, we can determine if this is a safe lift. If the ergonomic cycle time is greater, we don't have enough or the necessary recovery time, and now we're at elevated risk. What we can do then with that necessary recovery time is convert that to a labor cost or an administrative cost. And really, this is the cost that or the investment that you're making in that forceful exertion as well as the recovery time. We can then compare that to the cost of an engineering control, such as the lift table or a hoist, and then determine which is the most cost-effective approach. So what does this mean? What's the bottom line? The bottom line is that forceful exertions relate to effort. Effort equals recovery time. Recovery time is related to cost. If we can actually lower that recovery time by implementing a lift table or a hoist, we can perform this task safely and meet that processed cycle time. So for more information on Human-Tech and the Bottom Line series, please feel free to visit our website at humantech.com. And thanks. Have a great day.